Two people then dey for hospital for that side, so for Jombe Punjab for Sika accident wey take happen for National Road number 5. Tori for this afternoon, we go take style talk say wetin strike for Yawende. That motor people dem, they don't last turn back for work after big meeting wey take pass for day. They say if Friday a land where they never pay them their 4-month salary, they go enter again for make mash for side for Yawende. So for inside Yawende, we go talk palava work for National Assembly where it don't take start. Even as we SDF, they also they absent for work where it dey pass for National Assembly. All the one them so we go try for talk join them with tori wey newspaper come be dem too. They take comot this afternoon. Big part talk, e talk say wetin. Big part talk for this afternoon. E say person wey e no want normal change for happen, e dey invite by force change. For Sika say change na thing wey Papa God e don make am. Person wey e no like normal change for happen, e dey give invite for by force change. Change na thing wey Papa God e don make am. I dey come back small time. Good afternoon for outside the country people dem. We glad plenty for meet up una for this chapter 2 for Tori for Equinox Tori House. Chapter 1, National Road number 5. Road a block. Now this motorway e carry iron. I say motorway e carry iron. E tombosai. Now for Punjab side we dey so on the people. Motor e tombosai. All iron wey motor carry e throw away for ground. Motor block all road. Yes, now inside the motor that. Motor boy, who side dey? Hospital. Motor driver, who side dey? Hospital. Northwest 272 AU. E be the camp for the other side here. They say the motor be get some small craze. E mean say some place for inside the motor, e be there some kind. And na for here wey 23 people dey die. Now for the same place too wey motor e see say e fit tombosai. E tombosai, e block road. Now the place where the small confusion happen, where motor make so say e turn like that. Now the place where the sense so all motor the way they be the calm, they be force or turn back. E dey see another like do and so, e be force or turn back. Gendarme people they say they calm. They calm for can see the two way e take pass. Now inside the motor that blood and that way take come out. No man no die. Now driver he own the license that where they show you, so they call it now Oga Breeze. Driver na license that one I say so. All the other motor the way they be the one campus or the road for Punjab, they will be by force or take on shot inside banana plantation. Now for the way they take on shot, all motor they come. Instead for them for pass on normal road where don't block, they pass now for conshot. Now for tell me say that National Road number 5, even as so they wrote a wawa, they wrote it is also cause confusion. Driver Breeze a day for hospital. Motor boy a day for hospital. No man he no die. No man he no die. Inside Douala here, pikin wey he lost for that primary school they say na Venke. Winners Primary School. Papa they be block that school. E be there na Monday. Now the school this. Papa they block the school. Mommy then two parents they block that school. They say it don't too much. Say why pikin they is so lost now only for inside this school. That's why make them vest over. Now the 3-year-old pikin so we una go see name. The pikin in name now the pikin in mommy that. Now the pikin in mommy that. Since last week, where pikin go school, pikin never turn back. Small pikin for 3 years. Itaye Abambe Abigail. They say they be people the way they win. School where they win. See young girl, small pikin. Where you go school, different person can't take her. Tori where they enter for our ear. Kongosa, he say, the man he be take some call. Where they touch him, they send it 10,000 inside the money, inside the phone. So who be calling? Why he no be trace that number? But other Congosa will the yen say that pikin e dey like say e get plenty papa. Na im mean say the mami say we dey surely confuse who be gear. Big woman for block, e say e don talk say e don too much. E don too much. Say all time pikin dey lost. Headmaster for school too, e dey talk say e no take sabi. E no take sabi how everything take pass. So confusion for this school for Mboko, where they say na school for winners. Confusion. Mami dey all dey flock for front door the school. They say that pikin wey lost, they must to find am. Please yourself, you don't do all kind of style. You don't pass announce for radio all thing. Place ijo dey. Who thief that pikin? Now the number one papa for pikin, number two or number three, we no sabi. But investigate the happen. Shandan necessary, they don't buy that case. We go take una go for strike for Yawinde. Yes. Yesterday we be talk for now as well work people them for the company. Where they carry motor turn for inside town for Yawinde. Carry people them for small money. They be the vex. They make mash say work e no go dey if money for 4 months salary e no enter for their kwa. But the tori wey fit ask them on top the tori na say wetin. I show the talk just now. Work e don start. I say wetin. Work e don start. Ndongamen be happen with the big people there for the company and the work peoples. And as when the Ndongamen finish, all man e talk say they agree. Say make the work. But if Friday land, wey 4 months salary never enter for their kwa, work e go stop again. They say work e go stop. They say agreement na agreement. When you talk say so, make it be so. No tell me say agreement then tomorrow e be other kind. So as so the talk, people they feel so they pay their 150 to 200 for the motor. Na cheap motor. They fit enter for inside. Friday, if Friday reach 4 months salary no enter for the people they acquire, they go enter for different level for their mash way they start yesterday. Now the tori that we will take here we will say make we say we talk for now for outside day. We go take una go for Ezeka. Oga Enes when a minister Oga Enes Gbabobo. He don't talk for people that they dig place for Ezeka for carry gold. Say make they stop work. Say make they stop work. Say law is there for inside country. And the law e no talk say make people dey dig people dem dig the kind of gold wey na mineral for country anyhow. So make work is stop. Oga Enes Gbabobo be go for that side for Ezeka for go see as well this thing wey they say gold they don't see gold all side for Ezeka now so for that village so hole they don't dig careless for some kind stick them even some small beef the way they be get for the keep them for inside that bush they don't kick it like all that kind of small thing so now when minister for Palava Mines he say that one e no go happen. So he don't go talk say work he must to stop. And as so he talk for them after he finish meet all the people that they be the dig hole for inside he be get small Ndongamen answer question answer. So now so minister for mine a worker for Ezeka he take finish. So we go take see whether that people they go carry their thing then go for good or they go turn back. Sabi say for we country if something never enter for your ear e no go over fine. People they don't already get their land for day. Where you want come dig, they tell you say give 200,000. They say now for day way gold a day. Then we go take see. Minister don't can't go now. We go so turn back for day for talk whether minister order he pass for people that ear come out or he pass for people that ear he enter for their heads. Then they don't come out for the place. We take una now so we talk palava disabled people them for Marwa. I be talk when I say disabled people them for Marwa their own head na different thing. I say their own head na different thing. When I sabi say as well they be the glad big day for disabled peoples for Marwa side day. Some disabled people then they talk say they no go now. Yes, they no go. And I didn't know I cut with that chair the way they empty. Now let small people then so small disabled people there they be go. See chair them. See now chair them that. Empty chair them. Disabled people they deny for camp. They say They make them like say they no be know nothing for inside country. So they say they need to can them. So who big day na for waiting. The one day where they be try for go, they go. One day where they talk say they don't divide with, they don't make a man feel like say they no want you for inside. Even governor own representative say see our place is empty. He say chai. Even people then too where they sick then too they throw head. They put they no go there. They don't go there. They left empty chair. Now let the small one they want to see them. So now let them they go for big day for disabled people. They say mean delegation for the way get for look at them for that side for Madra. And they make like say they no sabi them. They do the all kind of thing there. After Nabila they first see man picking. Oh. Una see him? Hey. Man picking he put they put woman, hey, that man picking feel weak. Man Nadine, that man picking a weak true. Small bread they fell with the woman. See her. Una hold on tight. Hold on, oh boy. Hey, you see him? You see him? See her? You see her? Woman put man picking hand for down. Okay, oh. We go take una go for Limbe site, Mile 4 site, that new vocational training school wey Ngomna open. Oga Minister for Palava Vocational Training, Zachary Perevet, e be there for Limbe, for see as well this school e dey waka. Sabi say since school e open the door, and the Palava for Northwest Southwest, e confuse people their hate. So most of the school pikin they no be the calm. Now where Oga Zachary Perevet he go for the school. Big man for the school say one of the see he try for talk say school no be there some kind of way. But now so pikin they don't start come and the work it dey happen. Sabi say the vocational school a just day as well you dey enter for Limbe. And Oga Minister he dey enter for this since after way he be go open the door for the school them. He never enter again for this. So he don't enter again for day for see whether all thing in the work are fine and all the picking the way they did for school now so they learn their small handwork sabi as well they will do the one sabi as well they will do that one so now so work for Minister for Vocational Training Zachary Perevet it take happen for that side for Limbe. We go left chapter for Limbe we take una go for that side so they call them say Penja. Now work that where they never finish am. Guata a day, road a day. These people then too where they descend for corner road, another big wahala. Market place when a park, na market e don't enter for the people they deny for enter for store. Dirty for corner road. Now all the kind of thing they so where council of them for Penja side. They be sit down for their council session. They talk all the palaver. I say some half time. Councilor they be deny say they no go talk again. So te Oga SDO for Mongo. He be get for make them say make they sit down for inside that house by force. I say it be bad. It be bad. So te make Oga SDO. He talk say all man to sit down for inside. Councilor they say thing they need the worker. Thing they need the worker at all for Penja. Say make they know the pretend. Water e no dey for Penja. The one e no dey for Penja. The one e no dey for Penja. Road e no dey. Guata e no rainfall e enter for people their house. Now wetin? All that one they so invest some of the council of them. They be one comot. But Oga SGO talk say no man e no dey comot, no man e no dey enter. So the council session waka fine. All man e talk in mind. He talk say things they must change. Things they must to change. Now so the council session take pass for Penja side. We want to now say make we hear from people then for that side for Penja. Council of them. Make we hear them. They talk for their mind.
Waka. If you say waka, ima must get water. Ima must get water for it. Oh, some water what would you pay? Would you make from dollars no na 3 days? We no get water. We no get water. We must go for Molenka, from Boale, for Don Kaka, go to the water, we don't suppose you come for it. We are prophet also we must dig for water. Now for the cholera kill all for this country. tant on dit plus faut attention aucune sécurité sécurité alimentaire ou gatam faut c'est dans plus faut wata ou donc dit comme et puis oui y a fan faut na faut tel na c'est non tu ne dis waka il faut que vous waka de fin tu veux de take and forget chop you office when they don't put that for ground all this you drop this inside all to for up before you take them now you go chop
no matching no waka no matching no waka o masa because you see how we for inside also we just so masa prefer is said don vex or sometime now because we say don play don pass we out in the jam we no want make politics na politics for LDPC SZ and SZF we want make politics for make population we don't send for before make they look and say we don't make manda and that manda it don't work fine if you been for SZF we for LDPC we will let for me say me and chiwe bad they say no do you conseil because we don't give no na conseil don't job we don't give plenty conseil many conseil for me say if we make am so population the way I find but they don't actually find no you know they yourself no man you the mean actually na your mind na you the make am the one say change for me say we no buy here me no say we buy no we no buy one now say make a change make a go before na all chiwo we no the fight say we.
Yes, all them na council of them, so for that side, so for Pinja, where they talk their mind, Palava Council. We take una go Yawende for talk say work for inside National Assembly. They continue, even as we SDF honor them, they don't so remain for outside the house. All the law them, they so pass them, even as we honor them for SDF, they know they inside the house. The last people there, they come out for talk way been yesterday. We be get Minister for Defense, Joseph Betty Asomo, where it be take time for talk the kind measure where it is so ngomna it take the kind thing way ngomna it take for Palava this thing where they happen for Northwest and Southwest. Oga Minister for Palava Defense, where they call it say Joseph Betty Asomo, he give reason why when governor or ngomna he don't send people there for outside. Then he talk they adopt B2, they agree for B way, he talk say Palava gun them for country, she can shoot for keep them. Then Minister too for Palava Transport, where they talk say waiting Edgar Alemi Bengo, he says he be talk Palava aeroplane for country, where they call him say Kameko. He talk say anyhow one be all the up and down way they happen. He say all thing, he go work a fine, say make this aeroplane for country. He go now only for before. So when we get bill for Palava for keep gun, where they be talk say yes, then we be get Palava why when governor is the same police people them for that side so for Northwest, Southwest where they talk and Palava aeroplane to for country, Minister for Transport, he be talk all that chapter them. Now so we talk Palava and Damba, and from Damba we take una go Yawende. We meeting for Tekase Tone Kalawa Club it be happen with this man when a big man for Tekase the big man the one way Oga Semenge he picking na he look at them they be get them get there again dongamen for see as well they go prepare for this next football season. Sabi say Tekase he go play now for League 2 as well this new football season go start. And they start prepare. They say no na time where they think it don't start before they go start prepare. And we shall say this year, Tekase and Canon, all them, they go meet up for inside League 2. So they prepare already. Now for Sika Wida when Dongamen it be take happen for see as well they feed, touch eye, do all the small thing them where it go help Tone Kalaram for go for before for Palava and Damba. Sabi say the plan now for Tone for enter back. For Elite 1 Ndamba after this season for Ndamba where they go play for League 2. So now so we take see country this afternoon, country people them we go enter for Toriwe newspaper people they talk guidance post where we go start with this afternoon. It tell we say waiting Hugo Bruce by first pension, because again for man football team. United Nation he had in the court for the Palava where he see plenty of weak brother them for Northwest and Southwest. They don't run go for Nigeria side. Then so for inside the guidance post, they try for tell we say people there they be marked GCE for 2017. They say they go enter to for road for make mash. if they no pay them their money. Now some of the top story then that way the Guardian Post carry, and today we go now so for inside the Rambler newspaper where it come out today, country people them, the Rambler newspaper where it come out today, waiting be the top story for the one. They ask a big question, if the way Oga Mugabe it take come out now for backdoor, na way he make we own popo if here he run come back for country. The way Oga Mugabe be take come out for chair, he make popo he run come back for country. Now the big question that the Rambler they ask him, Palava for Northwest and Southwest, they say D1 if you make popo in Missy Road for 2018 when vote it go take pass. So for inside the Rambler they talk Palava Bishop Andrew Nkea, where they talk say for true na person wey Papa God he don't put hand on top he hate. Now so the Rambler is see country today. Nouvelle expression where he come out today to a get tori for talk. He dey try for talk how way Bishop Samuel Kleda he don't talk say he dey give advice for Popo no enter for vote for 2018. Now so Nouvelle expression take talk. Now so he talk to Palava for coach for man football team. Hugo Bruce normalization committee he don't throw away for one end. Now so to the talk Palava how we minister for Palava sport Oga Pierre Ismail Bidungpat he don't talk small. Sideway money go come out where they go look out all the fee the way they go play number for 2019 and other thing them. Other tori the day when Nouvelle expression it take carry, and today if you enter for inside you read them. We left Nouvelle expression for one side, we take now so na Le Messager. Yes, Le Messager where it come out today, it try for talk say waiting. Trump number Palava Kamamburu the way they dey for that side for my division. They say Popo he don't put na some big general for Anglophone. Say make it look out these people the way they want divide country. So it means say Anglophone versus Anglophone according to way Le Messager it take talk. Then they no forget to for Palava man football team coach Hugo Bruce where they don't send it for by force pension. They try for tell you to say 10 peoples the day where they don't thief them for that side for north. Now they do that work Boko Haram. So now so Le Messager is see country today. We enter now so for mutation. Mutation red number for day. Yes, for mutation we come out today. 14,000 work people from Gomna. They dey fear. Their mind in the court. Small time by force pension. By force pension. Now so mutation talk 14,000 work people them from Gomna. Small time they go put them by force pension. Then too they talk Palava man football team coach Hugo Bruce where they don't send it to for by force pension for Sika 17 in no respect commandeer where they be give it time where it be sign book like a coach for country. One, they say make it she done for inside country here they look other than by competition where they happen. Papa they only going for Belgium. They say make it qualify man football team for Russia. Papa no qualify man football team for Russia. He make Tumbu take man football cup for Gabon. He come he no fit go Russia. So normalization committee he do he work. Now so mutation he take talk for we. Last story we will enter for inside the call and say Cameroon Tribune. Cameroon Tribune is strong number for this afternoon. He dey try for talk say waiting. They say army peoples they dey do their work correct. Then the people then two way army people they deal with her. It means a person like you and me, they talk say no, army people them na changut, army people they do their work correct. Now according to thing that way, Cameroon Tribune, where it come out today, it take talk it gets some small strong number two way they talk for inside. But the strong number na say army peoples, they do their work fine for local people them, and the people then too they look at them. They say they do correct work. Now so Cameroon Tribune, it take talk for this afternoon. Country peoples. Now so we take see country to this afternoon and just for sabi say you sabi say you know sabi forget work a day, plenty work a day. Now for you for sabi say if you make soap, if you do the one, a day openings all side. Open your eyes. My time it don't finish. I go come back for tomorrow for some time. Make una hold on tight.